Hello Petty's Garage fans. Today we're going to do an install on painted factory coil covers. No tools required for this install other than just a little bit of something, water, glass cleaner, any kind of little bit of lube we're going to spray inside of the suction cups. Okay guys, we're going to start off, we're going to slip our hand back here behind the coil cover itself. And with a little bit of force, it'll come right back up. It won't take a lot. You can see these are the two suction cups we were talking about. We're going to set this aside. We're going to get our new coil cover. Squirt a little bit in, squirt a little bit in, dump it out. It's going right back in, same way it came out. As you can see, it's going to line up on the PCV valve and the coil covers. We're going to take our fist and just kind of, that one's installed. Okay, now for the left side, I'm going to add a little bit of pressure to the back like before. Front comes right out. Going to set this to the side. Get our new coil cover. Once again, it's going to line up over the oil fill cap. You can feel the bumpers underneath it. Just a little bit of bump, and it's on. And don't forget, once you get your coil covers, now you can get your strut bar, finish up the rest of your bling under the hood.